The quest for financial independence and prosperity is something we all desire, but there are fundamental reasons that hold many back from achieving their dreams. In a world where financial prosperity seems attainable by a select few, it's essential to examine the underlying factors that contribute to this disparity. We're going to unravel the truth behind the myth of overnight success and shed light on the fundamental reasons that prevent most individuals from achieving true wealth. Let's uncover the truth behind the barriers that hinder most individuals from amassing true wealth. In 2021, the mind-boggling financial success of billionaires became more apparent than ever, with their collective wealth surpassing the colossal sum of $5 trillion. This extraordinary figure far exceeded the entire gross domestic product of Germany, one of the world's most populous and economically advanced countries. The concentration of such vast wealth in the hands of just a few highlights the stark inequality that exists in the world today, even among the ultra-rich. Astoundingly, only 2,755 individuals managed to accumulate more money than the entire economy of Europe's wealthiest continent. This inequality raises questions about the fairness of our economic system and the distribution of wealth across the globe. Among the billionaires, the top 10 alone accounted for a staggering $400 billion of this amassed wealth. To put this into perspective, these 10 individuals amassed more wealth than the entire GDP of many countries. The sheer scale of these numbers make it difficult to comprehend the enormity of their fortunes. When confronted with such figures, it is natural to ponder how such wealth can be generated and why only a tiny majority is successful in accumulating such astronomical amounts of money. It is tempting to attribute the financial success of billionaires solely to inheritance, but the reality is more complex. While it is true that some individuals inherit their fortunes, a deeper analysis reveals that none of the top 10 richest individuals inherited their wealth. Instead, their success can be traced back to a combination of various factors and, most importantly, adherence to a few fundamental principles. Though there are multiple reasons behind their immense success, it all comes down to some basic principles that underpin their achievements. Understanding and applying these principles can set individuals on the path to financial prosperity as well. However, it is essential to acknowledge that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to becoming wealthy. Each successful entrepreneur's journey is unique and characterized by a series of decisions, risks, and opportunities that led them to prosperity. Nevertheless, they seem to converge on some core principles that contributed to their triumphs. One common misconception is that achieving immense wealth follows a step-by-step process with a clear and straightforward guide available in business books. Unfortunately, this is not the case. Many MBA graduates, despite their education and qualifications, end up working regular 9-to-5 jobs like everyone else, without reaching the pinnacle of financial success. In reality, the paths to success are often unconventional, and the roadmap to wealth remains elusive. Delving into the biographies of successful people reveals how uniquely distinct each entrepreneur's journey has been. However, the underlying thread connecting them all is adherence to certain principles that help propel them forward. The reason why most people fail to attain financial freedom is that they often overlook or disregard these basic rules of growth. The notion that becoming wealthy is purely a matter of luck is a common argument, but it doesn't withstand scrutiny. While luck can play a role, relying solely on chance is a risky strategy. Instead, achieving financial freedom requires discipline, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks. One can look to prominent examples like Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg, who were in the right place at the right time with the right idea. But it's crucial to recognize that acquiring billions of dollars is not a prerequisite for financial independence. In fact, a few $100,000 or $1 million can provide a comfortable lifestyle. Shifting the focus from comparing oneself to the wealthiest individuals in the world to setting practical and achievable goals is essential. Rather than fixating on Elon Musk's $300 billion, consider realistic and feasible targets. Going from an income of $50,000 or $60,000 to $300,000, for instance, is a much more practical and attainable goal for most people. The evolution of human history offers a stark contrast when it comes to opportunities for wealth accumulation. In the past, achieving wealth was a monumental challenge for the vast majority of people, particularly those born into poverty. In earlier centuries, a significant portion of the world's population were farmers toiling from sunrise to sunset, struggling to make ends meet. Illiteracy and limited access to education further restricted upward mobility. Opportunities to break free from the shackles of poverty were virtually non-existent for the majority of people. However, the modern era presents an unprecedented era of possibilities for personal growth and financial prosperity. Unlike generations of the past, individuals today have access to education, the internet, and a plethora of opportunities to develop their skills and showcase their talents to the world. The advent of the internet has revolutionized how we learn and connect with one another. It has leveled the playing field, enabling individuals from diverse backgrounds to access knowledge and expertise once confined to the elite. As a result, luck plays a smaller role today, and anyone with dedication and effort can strive for success. Modern technology has made it easier than ever to teach oneself new skills, pursue passions, and build networks. Whether it's graphic designing or rocket science, online resources and platforms provide unparalleled access to information and learning opportunities. Even showcasing one's talents to a global audience has become as simple as owning a smartphone and having access to the internet, as demonstrated by the growth of social media and content creation platforms. This shift in opportunities is a testament to the power of knowledge and the democratization of information. It empowers individuals from all walks of life to break free from the constraints of their circumstances and reach for new horizons. One key obstacle that impedes many people from achieving their financial goals is the failure to understand the concept of exponential growth. In a world where instant gratification is prevalent, people often expect quick results from their efforts. However, exponential growth challenges this mindset. Initially, the growth might appear modest, leading some to feel discouraged and give up prematurely. But with patience and time, the results can become truly impressive. Consider the example of compound interest, a powerful concept that illustrates the magic of exponential growth. Saving and investing $10,000 might not seem like a life-changing amount initially, but over time, compounded returns can lead to significant growth. After 10 years, the investment might grow to $100,000, which is already a substantial increase. However, the real power of exponential growth is revealed in the following years. In the next decade, the same investment could grow to $572,000. By the end of the next 20 years, it could reach a staggering $4.4 million. This principle applies to various aspects of life, whether it's building a business, acquiring subscribers on YouTube, or establishing a client base in real estate. The initial phases may appear slow, and progress might seem scarce. However, as time goes on, the returns can snowball, leading to exponential growth. For instance, acquiring the first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube might be a formidable challenge. However, as the channel gains momentum and visibility, attracting the next 10,000 or 100,000 subscribers becomes comparatively easier. The astronomical wealth accumulated by billionaires underscores the global economic disparity we face. While some may argue that luck plays a role in their success, the truth lies in their adherence to essential principles and seizing opportunities. Embracing exponential growth, persistence, and the accessibility of knowledge in the digital age, we can empower ourselves to pursue financial independence and prosperity. Let's challenge the status quo, learn from the paths of successful entrepreneurs, and strive for a more equitable future for all. If you like today's topic, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on personal finance, success strategies, and breaking free from limitations. Remember, empowering yourself with knowledge and understanding the key principles of wealth creation can pave the way to financial freedom. So, join us on this journey of discovery and let's strive together to unlock the doors to a brighter and more prosperous future. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.